And for about 2 years, I learned how to work with early childhood kids, and we had positive reinforcers. So the positive reinforcers that I use, these are scented stamps. These are awesome. There's a company called Center Enterprises. They're about $6 each. Okay? There's grape, there's cherry, bubble gum. I don't know what hibiscus is. Orange. Have you seen these before? These are bang. And this is my favorite one, chocolate. But it's not just any chocolate. Anybody remember Cocoa Krispies?
Oh, yeah.
Do you remember Cocoa Puffs? When you would just pour it in there and pour the milk and eat all that garbage, you know, and then what's left in the bowl? Like chocolate bliss. And show me by your hands, there's a spoon right there and there's a bowl. Show me by your hands how you would drink it. Good for you guys. Okay, good. Exactly. So this smells like chocolate stamp. The first person to raise their hand gets to smell it. I like the way that you raised your hand. You know how many people are mad at you right now? I just want to let you know. Okay. You get to smell it. Thank you for clarifying. What's that? Okay. I'll leave it up at the front for everybody to smell after the workshop. So the point of the story is I tell my kids, if you want to keep your stamp, walk in the hallway. If you want me to go into your classroom, take a paper towel and some water and wipe your stamp off, run. And then I go like this, the thing that teachers dread, I just move out of their way. And I go, show me what you want me to do. That's it. Where's the responsibility? I'm that. And guess what? You think anybody tested me? 100%. 100%. And the one kid, like that, I'm just like, oh, that's good, and watch like that. Hey, everyone! And I go and I get the paper towel, and the kid's like this. Because most people, they give them consequences, and then they don't, follow through. So reality, it's not, like if you kept on driving, you kept on getting pulled over and getting warnings every single time, you would never stop that behavior. Especially if the cop is cute. Right? Okay.